Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0716O, in color code 001. It's a black frame. It has a double GG Gucci logo in gold on the temples. This frame is made in Italy. These are demo lenses stamped with the Gucci logo. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card right over here.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.